For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thanking God for life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing some long Senegalese twist tutorial and we're going to get right into it. So I'm using my expression braiding hair, and I initially cut this hair into 3, but I cut it into 4, but my clients requested long twists, so I ended up just adding hair as I go. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I add hair to make twists longer. So I always go ahead and pre-stretch the hair, and then I stretch it out some more before I apply it. Using my finger, I separate half of the hair into 2, creating a 3-strand braid, and then I proceed on to doing a 3-strand braid before I add those 2 pieces that I separated. I add them together, and then I proceed on to doing a 2-strand twist. So you're transitioning from braids to twists, just like we did that kinky twist tutorial I uploaded last week. Same method, just different type of hair. That's all it is. That's the difference from Senegalese twist and kinky twist. So yeah, the best way to learn how to do braids, twists, whatever, is to just watch it and then practice. So I'm gonna give you guys the time to just kind of visually picture it in your mind, and then take your mannequin and begin to practice, because that's the best way you're going to learn how to do it. So I'm just taking that piece of hair to extend it. All I'm doing is just attaching it on there, literally placing it on there and then twisting like nothing ever happened. Like, it's that simple. You don't make it complex. There's nothing complicated about it. Just place it in the middle and then just twist like you are normally twisting, and it's gonna fall into place, and it's gonna be so seamless. It's not even gonna look like you added hair at all. So yeah, I hope you guys just pay attention and enjoy this tutorial. And if you have a mannequin with you, just practice, and I promise you get it right. So we're basically going to repeat the same step. I like to do upside down parting for all my braids and all my twists, because I feel like it creates the most natural finish and natural fall on my clients' hair or head, whatever. So just starting off with a 3-strand braid, I'm just gonna combine those 2 little pieces that I split up initially. I'm gonna combine them together to make one whole strand, and then I'm gonna use the other extra piece of hair or strand and then begin the 2-strand twist. So yeah, I hope you're paying attention, because what I just said, I hope it was easy for you to understand. But if you can't understand it, just watch it to get it. So yeah, we're just basically doing the same thing. Like I said, I'm going to be adding pieces with every twist that I do. So when I get to about maybe when I'm almost out of hair, I'm just going to take a little piece of hair and just attach it on to the twist, just to make it longer, because like I said, my client came in and she was like, oh, I actually want it a little bit long this time. So I kind of had to improvise, but it worked out just fine. I've done this method before, so it's not a big deal. All you have to do is just simply attach the hair. It might take a little bit longer for you to finish, but you're still gonna get the same beautiful look, so don't panic. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut up. I'm done talking, and I'll catch you guys at the end. Enjoy.
Playing on the track. Playing on the track. track.
So this is what it should be looking like. I always try to do my twists as tight as possible, and the key to making them very tight is to do your twists very close to each other. Don't give room for like loose twists. Always make sure that your twists are, you know, kind of right after the other. So very tight and very consistent. That's how you get very nice and perfect and seamless twist. I hope that was very helpful to you guys. But anyways, we're gonna go on to the dipping portion of the hair. What this is gonna do is make your twist look so freaking relaxed. Like, it's not gonna look tensed up. It's not gonna look stressed out anymore. Like, it's not gonna look crooked. You know, it's gonna make it look, you know, straight and composed and, you know, just put together. So dip it in your hair. Make sure you are covered with towel just to secure your body, and yeah, be very careful. I know I told you guys this was going to be my last week video was going to be my last upload in this apartment, but I lied. I ended up doing like 2 clients and that I filmed. It was so last minute and improv too, so I'm going to go ahead and upload these 2 videos, and then we'll start filming in my new apartment. Super excited. Can't wait for you guys to see the new place and how I'm gonna set it up. But anyways, don't forget to use your Gas-to-Be glue or whatever edge control of your choice. Don't forget to, you know, lay down her edges like I always tell you guys in every video. It's gonna take you 1 minute, but it goes a long way, you know, for the completion of the whole hairstyle. So just take the time to do just that little thing, and I promise you to make your client feel so special and so beautiful, just like you guys are. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. I always upload my daily hairstyles on there. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.